Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon, that's a laparoscopic weight loss surgeon. I'm in the profession of eradicating obesity from the face of the earth. Our experience so far as a doctor has been absolutely fantastic, because bariatric surgery is a life-saving surgery, bariatric surgery is a life-transforming surgery, and we have been able to save and transform thousands and thousands of lives. So yes, it has been an enriching experience, and it has been a fulfilling experience till date. I practice in Mumbai, and Mumbai is very badly affected by coronavirus. There are around 50,000 plus odd active cases in Maharashtra and more than 26,000 active cases in Mumbai today. I'm into the field of bariatric surgery, and till date things were absolutely great because there are no emergencies in bariatrics, and we used to work for 6 to 8 hours a day. Though I used to operate at Hinduja Khar and Raheja Hospital and at my own Astha Healthcare, we used to have a very peaceful life with possibly 7 to 8 hours working per day. But during the COVID times, the working hours have increased. We are working almost 13 to 16 hours a day non-stop, and the situation is such that it requires more and more from us. I'm associated with Rotary District 3141 in a very big manner, and in fact when COVID started, I was an integral part of the COVID response team with District Governor Harjeet Talwar as the chief of the COVID response team, and we were 3 more people, so totally a 4-member team taking care of the COVID response for entire Mumbai. We were providing meals to the migrant laborers, we were providing grocery items to all unemployed people, and we did this for almost 1.5 to 2 months. And then Rotary invested more in upgrading the services in the hospital, in various municipal hospitals, like providing ventilators, providing wards, ICU wards, and did all lots of things. So one of the best things that happened during this time is everyone came together. On one call, we had hundreds and thousands of Rotarians who came together, and even non-Rotarians too. And they were just pouring out money and help and support to others. I feel this is the warmest thing that I can feel, something which was very soothing to our hearts, that whenever there is a crisis that comes up, these good people and good souls rise up to the occasion and ensure that we not only handle the situation well, we even try to defeat it with all our power and support. There is a lot of negativity going on. Actually speaking, if we maintain our social distancing and keep our sanitation measures good, and we stay safe at home, we can really stay away from coronavirus. But what we have seen in the public once the lockdown was relaxed is totally different. So we are seeing many cases that are happening around. In fact, I have been really saddened today because yesterday I lost one of my closest friend, one of my friends with whom I used to be in touch with almost daily. We lost him yesterday to COVID-19. So there have been these negative phases too, but what we have been doing is, since we are a high volume bariatric surgery center and we're having patients all across the country, and we want to ensure that these patients remain fine, remain okay. My staff and myself, we are in touch with almost every patient. All the thousands and thousands of patients are being called up, they have been given advice. So my staff is completely busy, and this is the way we are trying to keep away from negativity. Also, we are also amongst the very few 4 or 5 hospitals in entire Mumbai who have started doing bariatric surgery even in these times, because We have noticed across the world, even in Europe and US, 60% of the patients who required admissions were obese. 73% of the patients who required ventilator were obese. So yes, obesity is a big comorbidity. And if at all we can operate and bring down those comorbidities, bring down diabetes, bring down sleep apnea, bring down the health problems of the patient by operating them, yes, we should. And we are being very reasonable in these efforts. We are choosing our patients very well, who by this surgery will improve so drastically that they'll be able to face the challenges of COVID. Yes, those patients are being operated right now. And these are the things that we are doing proactively and positively to keep us away from negativity. The need of the hour is responsible media. Media has not portrayed everything the way it should have been. I feel responsible media should ensure that we are putting up the good things that the doctors are doing, all the COVID warriors are doing, whether it's a policeman, whether it's a postman, whether it's a courier boy, or doctors, or even the ward boys in the hospital. All are these COVID warriors. I feel what good has been done should be portrayed. Media should come together, take out the CSR resources from all the media channels and help in providing various support to all the COVID warriors to ensure that more needy can be helped. This is not the time for blame game. I feel responsible media is the need of the hour. I also feel that this is the time for each one of us to walk hands in hand, shoulder to shoulder, and ensure that all come together and fight this COVID virus. This is also a time for every one of y'all who is listening to us to stay at home also, because if you stay at home, you are giving us a huge support in not becoming COVID, so that we get chance to treat all those who are in need now. So friends, stay home, stay safe, use self-distancing measures, and ensure that we all come out of this crisis at the earliest.